Good morning. I haven't noticed this isn't my normal house. It's actually my grandparents' house. So yeah. If you haven't noticed, wake up a little bit, because, you know, that's kind of crazy. I haven't noticed that I'm not in the same spot as I normally am. So yeah. I am house sitting, which is dog sitting, because I'm babysitting a dog. Yep. She's laying on the floor. Dog sitting. It's very boring here because I have to sit here all day, and I've been here since Friday. Yeah. Oh, and there's Jennifer. She's sleeping. Jennifer. Jennifer. Hello. Are you awake? Hi. Hi, Bobby. Hi. She's so pretty. Well, she looks rough because she's tired. She goes back to sleep. And that's who I'm babysitting. Yes. It's kind of sounds ridiculous, I know. Hey, gotta do what you gotta do, right? I don't know what to say anymore. I'm ran out of ideas on what to do in all my videos, so I need requests really bad. Really bad. Oh, that looks so whoosh. Sorry, I'm like obsessed with my hair and how it flows. Wow, it's still really wet though. Blah blah blah. Well, one thing that I'm really happy about is that my grandma got me is the newest People magazine, and guess who's on the front cover of the magazine? Voila! He's beautiful. Yes, I got it. I heard it's like a collector's item, so I'm really happy because it's like all about Justin. And there's like some pictures in here. Yes, I'm excited for it. It's Jenny. Say hi, Jenny. Say hi. Say hi. She wants down. Okay. Get down. Get down. Okay, run off then. I am too crazy for you. Yeah. I'm so sorry. I'm like really weird. I'm like everywhere when I make a video. I'm like, I can't even describe myself. Nobody can. Nobody gets me. I'm sorry. I'm so bored. I want to get out of this house. I'm dog sitting. A dog. Okay, I'm sorry. Jessica just threw a fit, huh? Just kidding. I didn't throw a fit. Blah, blah. What was that? I don't know what that was. Oh, that was gross. I want to do something. Oh yeah. What is that? I'm acting too much like Amber. It's crazy. Yeah. I'm hungry. Let's go get something to eat. A pig. Let's go. What do I want? What is this? I don't want this at all. Too much chocolate milk. Too much! I don't want anything. Thought I was hungry. Okay, guess I don't want it. Jennifer, hi, Booby. Jennifer, hi. Boo, Jenny, are you deaf? Hi. You're so cute. You look like a big ball of fur. Aw, Jennifer. You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Okay, I'm gonna quit talking to the dog. Guess what? Have I ever told you this? But I have a chicken, and his name is Clucky, and he barks all the time. That's a funny word, barks. But yeah, he barks all the time. Since I live in an apartment, he's not allowed to come in at all. And he actually is on like a little chain thingy, and he's tied to like our pole. So, and he never comes in. He just sits there and eats corn. Well, plucks corn, whatever you want to say. But yeah, yeah, I have a chicken. His name is Clucky, so. And he goes, bark, bark, bark. Wait, yeah, something like that. I'm Justin Bieber. Hi. Okay, well, I think we're gonna go now, because I think that's enough for you today, so. Bye. Bye. Okay, bye. Bye.